Here's a nice looking hardtop, just in it unique, especially in classics. Oldsmobile Cutlass S, 1972 model year. As you can see, it's kind of a blue metallic, I would say. Black vinyl top, black interior. This does have the original engine it would have came with, numbers matching 350 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo automatic 350 transmission. Power steering, power brakes, front disc, brakes also. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, interior undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always give us a call at 507-386-1726. As you can see, the front bright work, bumper, chrome, nice shape. Paint, there's a few, you can see a little touch-up. You can tell it's been well taken care of. A few little touch-ups here and there, but overall paint shows very well. The top on this is brand new, done within the past 3-4 weeks. As far as the engine, top half was rebuilt, and there is some paperwork to go with that. Some servicing that was done underneath the hood, and there's paperwork on that. There's also clear title to this car. As you can see, it's riding on BF Goodrich radials, Krieger SS wheels. Give this car a great look. Interior's in nice shape. Again, black vinyl, center console. Dash is in nice shape. There is an aftermarket stereo, CD player, AM/FM, that is in the glove box. You'll see that in the pictures. Also remote control that goes with that, so you could actually change the channels or volume without having to reach over. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Has newer mufflers on it, dual exhaust. Nice sounding car. You can see how straight it is. Nice reflection of that paint. Rear bumper, bright work, also in nice shape. We do run these through a service department. Our technician that looked this one over gave it a very good review. Car dries out nice. And you can ask the sales associate if you call in and talk to anyone about that inspection that we do. Playing around a little bit inside the car myself earlier. Windshield wipers work, blower motor and fan work and everything. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side here quick. Not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. Overall, paint is in nice shape. Like I said, a few touch-ups here and there, but overall very nice. All right, let's fire this up so you can hear it run, and we'll check out underneath the hood too. Warning chime works. See how easily that starts. Odometer reads 30,777. Can't confirm or deny original miles. Doesn't stay on the titles once they're so old. Again, the stereo does work. It's on very low, and it is in the glove box. There's a remote right here, used for controlling that. Alright, slip around to the back. Car's got a nice idle, sounds good. Nice stock looking engine bay, nice and tidy also. We'll check that out here in a second. There you go. This little Moby idle to it. Nice deep sound. Good sounding car. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second and let's pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay. See how it looks underneath there too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, got the hood popped. Nice hood liner in it. Here we go. Again, power steering, power brakes. How smooth that runs. This is a numbers matching original engine. You can see the stamping in the still pictures. I get a good close-up of it so you can see it matches the VIN. Sounds good. HEI ignition. Little chrome dress up on it with the valve covers and air cleaner. There you go, looking for a nice 1972 Cutlass. Two-door hardtop. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.